Welcome back to Luna 411. Today, I'm setting up my July 2019 journal. I'm using a brand new Artist Loft Journal. This notebook is 7 by 10 inches tall and has 128 pages. I started my first full page by adding my calendar for the month of July and selecting an inspirational quote. This is from one of my favorite authors, Jack Canfield. He explains that nothing in your life will change for the better until you do. This is one of the many quotes he uses in his own YouTube channel, which I follow frequently. Next, I created a ring of stars. It circles all around the center of the page, and I added different sizes of stars. In the middle, I added the word for the month of July. On the corners, I added a simple border with a little bit of a star on the side. I think that makes the page very simple and artistic. This month, I only wanted to track 4 different things. I found this awesome tool that helped me create all the squares, and I was able to use it like an ink stamp. I loved it. The best part is I don't have to make all those squares. So I added more items on the page to make it look like fireworks, especially because it's the theme that goes along with July. I was also able to add the different numbers to every single string, and that will make it easier to identify what day of the week I wanted to mark the mood that I am tracking. I added tiny little stars to the end of all of those strings. This way it looks more like fireworks. On the right, I also added the key, marking the 3 different moods I will be tracking this month. I added my monthly overview. This page I have been using to track the highlights I want to show for every day of the week. I am also tracking the number of hours I am working for the week. On the next page, I am doing my daily logs. This helps me track the different appointments and meetings I have for the week, not only for work, but also for my personal items. I continued the theme throughout the pages by adding stars of different sizes on the top of the page. For the final page, I added the last 3 days of the month of July. Here, I am also creating a gratitude log. This is one of my favorite pages in my journal, especially every day at the end of the night. I start writing some of the things I'm grateful for that happened throughout the day. By the end of the week, I usually look through it, and I am so thankful that all those good things happened during the week. And now here's the final review of the whole setup. I hope you enjoy the setup as much as I do. And remember, as Jack Canfield says, nothing in your life will change for the better until you do.